To get started, first create a repository. This is where all your project files will be stored. Assign a name to the repository and optionally write a description explaining what your project is about. You can choose whether to make the repository public accessible to everyone or private restricted to you or your team. Additionally, you can choose to add a README file which acts as a guide or overview of your project. Once you've configured these settings, click on Create Repository. After the repository is created, you can start adding your project files. Click on Add File, then select Upload Files to directly upload your code or project files. Alternatively, you can push your code from a local machine using Git commands. When you navigate to the Code tab of your repository, you'll find a URL that you can use to clone the repository or share it with others. GitHub is an essential tool for developers. It helps in version control, collaboration, open source contributions, and overall project management.